Hi everyone, and in this video I'll be telling you how to fix cursor if you are using Wacom pen tablet. So when I use pen tablet on any whiteboard, it keeps changing my cursor. Right now I'm using this online whiteboard, web whiteboard, and if even I use the my MS Word, or even guys I use this my view board. If I use this board as well, it also changed our cursor when I use my Wacom pen tablet. As you can see, it makes it again as a cursor, this arrow cursor. But when we use it as if you use your touchpad directly using your fingers, it won't change your cursor icon. So right now you can see that the cursor is not changing if I writing using my touchpad or the trackpad on laptop. But when I use my pen, it instantly change it to the arrow cursor, which is not convenient at all. And also guys, if I use my online whiteboard, it keeps changing my pen. If I use my trackpad to write anything, it gives me this pen icon. But if I use a Wacom pen tablet and using pen, then you can see that it's blinking. It's so irritating. So how can I fix this error? So how can you fix the pointer or the cursor error or cursor issue in pen tablet or on Wacom? So you have to guys first of all search for this Wacom Wacom tablet properties. Just go to this, and now it's very easy to fix this issue. Just need to go to in mapping, and in mapping you have to just uncheck this option called this Windows use Windows ink. You have to just uncheck this option, just tap on it. And now let's close this window now. And now guys, if I use my pen tablet to write anything on online board or on this whatever this my view board, it's not changing the cursor. So basically the cause of the error was the Windows ink app. So basically the Windows link app changed the cursor to your the default cursor. So that was so irritating. So that's why you can fix this error by just unchecking the Windows ink from the Wacom properties, mapping properties. Just uncheck it and your this problem will be resolved completely. So that's how you can fix it guys. Hope you like it. Subscribe for more video. Till then, bye bye. And right now I'm using my pen for writing. As you can see, if I write anything, window ink. So as you can see, I cannot write this in this clean writing using my trackpad. So I'm using right now window or the pen tablet using my stylus. So yeah, hope you like it. Subscribe for more video. Till then, bye bye.